the House of Nova as an example. So the House of Nova was born last summer during a NASA Tech Accelerator Program I did in partnership with the Virginia Tech Science and Research Park. And what we were challenged to do was a cohort of about 30 students. And what we were challenged to do as entrepreneurs was to come up with a solution that would incorporate NASA technology to help commercialize NASA technology. And I was the Lone Ranger focused on fashion as an apparel item. And how could I use this advanced tech to do that? Initially, I was looking at the textile side of things and the innovations that have been made as it relates to textiles that have some really amazing properties. And then I decided to research the software side and say, well, what can I do on the software side? And what I saw was a really nice alignment with Web3 technologies and software that NASA had created around data. And so I decided to bring data art together with Web3 tools such as blockchain and AI to advance couture forward. And so what I do is I use AI to create concepts and ideas that can better tell the story that's in my head, that can inspire individuals to want to collect my designs in a digital way and be a part of the journey as I turn those digital designs into physical creations. And it's so bringing the consumer along a ride that's inspiring for them, because I use fashion as art, and art inspires and transforms. And then this art, the next thing is people want to touch it, right? When you have an image of your favorite, painter's work, you want to touch it. You want it to be in your presence. So the next question I get is this going to be in physical, And that's a great sign. And that's something that AI can do for other brands, is it can inspire your community that then ask for it to be made. And then, if they're asking for it, they want it, it's not going to end up in the landfill. You're not going to overproduce. They're going to want to keep it longer. So you're going to invest in higher quality materials so it can launder for longer periods of time than our current fast fashion items do. And so how I use it for the House of Nova is a form of ideation, concept development, and storytelling.